straight. What the hell?
Tickets. We're waiting for 94.7 Alternative. Are you ready to be your own boss? Schedule a tour today.
What a fucking cocksucker.
What are you doing? Oh my god!
Like pretty much all these streets like connect.
Yeah. What the fuck? So there's a little bit of traffic in front of me because of a train crossing, and this pickup with the trailer is in the right turn lane here with a couple other cars. This Hyundai SUV decides to cut everybody off and make the right turn anyway from the straight lane.
Oh, they're gonna have a chat. Good one.
Oh my fucking god.
Safety, a way of life. What the fuck? The light was red and he just went straight through it.
So this intersection is one left turn lane and one straight lane, but the person in front of me seems to think that they're in the left turn lane even though we're in the straight lane, and it takes lots of honking for them to go forward. So I didn't notice this at the time, but there's a limousine and then about 4 cars here that try and make a right turn from these left 2 lanes. What are we all doing here? What the hell was that? Whoa, whoa. Jesus Christ.
Your arm? It's just my whole arm? Like, it's just a little strange. Think like this.
So we're in the one left turn lane. This is in Kalispell, Montana, by the way. This truck and trailer decides to turn left from the 3rd lane because he's a big old jerk and doesn't know how to do a U-turn further up ahead.
Are you... What? I don't...
You're an asshole. This guy also decides he is too good for the left turn lane and turns from the straight lane. So this little white Chevy kind of forces their way in front of this Chrysler and then immediately puts on their left blinker to get back into that lane they were just in. But they can't seem to figure out how to do that, and they end up slowing down significantly and making this Chrysler kind of mad.
What the hell is this dude doing?
It's close to that smart car. So up at the intersection in front of me, there is an accident between a car turning left and a bicyclist coming through the intersection. There happened to be a motorcycle cop right behind me that saw this, and I also provided my dash cam footage, and I believe they determined the car to be at fault. Hey guys, thanks for watching. This is the very end of the video here. These were clips primarily from 2015, and following this video, I sold this Subaru. It was a 1998 Subaru Impreza with a 5-speed manual. Great little car. We went on lots of adventures, lots of ski trips, lots of trips to the coast, lots of crazy, crazy dirt roads that a normal sedan would never be able to go up. It was a great car. I miss it a lot, actually. Take care, folks. Have a good one.